Hi, my name is Almitra Yancey. I'm a Senior Customer Service Liaison at Montefiore Medical Center, and this is my healthy living story. I made my health a priority because just about everybody in my family has diabetes. Mom died at 67. She battled it. Both my maternal grandparents, all of my maternal uncles have it. I ended up developing that, so my motivation is keeping my numbers in range. I definitely don't want to be put on insulin. I saw what it did to my mother. I don't want that to happen to me. It was hard to make the adjustments to my diet because I do love soda, but now I drink a lot of Crystal Light. When I want soda, I'll do like a Coke Zero or Sprite Zero. Now I like to try healthy recipes. I like to replace butter. Anywhere where I can try to cut the fat, I do that. And I will air fry anything. We use the air fryer at least three times a week, at least, because it's just so easy. Also, $11.99 has the WeightWatchers that I take advantage of for free. I'm even part of a virtual class of just $11.99 members. It's something that I can use consistently now without worrying about having to pay for it. I've lost about 40 pounds with WeightWatchers. So when it comes to exercise, I'm definitely getting in my steps every day. I walk along the lake, me and my girls, put in my AirPods and just go. One of the activities that we enjoy as a family is bowling. Bowling is a form of exercise. When you're bowling, you have to have upper arm strength. The ball is heavy and you're moving your arm. It's important to do more than just going to the gym because you don't want exercise to be a chore. You want it to be something that you enjoy. Now that I'm making better decisions as far as my health is concerned, I feel like my future is brighter. The last A1C that I had drawn, I was out of diabetes range altogether, based off of how I've been eating and how I've been living so far. Even though I will always battle my chronic illnesses, as long as I maintain a healthy lifestyle, I know that I won't suffer the debilitating effects from them.